Hello folks, back in the shop here at Goodheart Machine and Repair in Somerton, Ohio. I'm working on this roller for, actually it's two rollers for the molasses press. I've got one done laying over here on the bench and I've got one in the lathe. I'm going to take the camera in hand and kind of show you what I'm doing, what I've ran into here. So pardon the moving around of the camera. Okay, over here, my lighting with these cameras, I'm going to get a better camera or something here. I turned this down to 2 1/8 where it cleaned up. This is the keyway that was in it. This was always turned by a horse, so it's, I don't know what the gentleman's going to do exactly, if he's just going to look at it or if he's going to try to make it work. But you can see in here I just took this edge, just kind of smoothed it up, left a nice little radius in here. To any place you leave a sharp corner machining like this, or any type of machining, that's a stress point that can crack. Now this over here, this one didn't quite clean up. Ooh, that didn't work. Unplug the light. But you can see right here, that did not clean up. The light off of it a little bit, but you can see in here a little bit up here that didn't quite clean up, but it done the same thing on the face of this one. Just kind of smoothed it up a little bit where that babbitt's going to set. Now back over here at the lathe, I've just got this one set up. This end's not too bad, but I'm going to make a match, just make it easier for Brad to put this thing together. Now, what I'm into here, I don't have a lot of room between the chuck and the part. Right down here, when I'm running up there, I'm almost hitting it because I'm stopping before I do. Then on this side, I got an indicator set up. That way, when I come toward the tailstock, I can come back to the same zero all the time, and I won't have a chance of hitting. As you can see, this is pretty close right here. So what I'm going to have to do, I got this tool post angled and my tool pulled out pretty far just to reach in there and get this. So what I'm going to do, I can cut from this face out, establish my diameter. Then I'm going to have to turn the tool post a little more straight. Then I can get in and finish over to here, which this is all wear. You can see that step right there. That's all wear. That should have been more up to this diameter here. But we chose not to weld or do anything. We're just going to make the babbitt bearing a little thicker, and it'll serve the same purpose. So I'll have to use the left hand and the right hand tool and get stuff to blend right here. But this side's actually worn down more than the other end. So I'm going to use this one to establish my diameter, which should be around 2 1/8, which would be the same as the other one, which would be nice. But that's where I'm at on this. This is an example of why CNC will never take over. There'll always have to be manual lathes in the shop, because CNC, this would be a very rough project to try to pull off without having a wreck or something, because we're basically fudging things in. So that's about all I got for this video.